Hey guys, Joseph's Heart here. Today we'll be diving into the world of audio with a close look at the Oraimo Freepods 4. Are these earbuds really worth the hype? Let's unbox and find out. Inside the box you will find a charging case that houses the earbuds, a welcome guide, a Type-C charging cord, and 2 sets of antibacterial ear tips. Oraimo, known for crafting top-notch yet affordable audio accessories, presents the flagship Freepods 4. These are true wireless stereo earbuds featuring active noise cancellation and seamless app control. The Freepods 4, adorned with the Oraimo logo, flaunts a premium plastic design that's both lightweight and portable. The slide-to-open case reveals a white interior and a convenient USB Type-C port for charging. The earbuds themselves showcase a sleek white and black design, complete with antibacterial ear tips and multifunction touch sensors at the back, accompanied by an indicator and the iconic Oraimo logo. The Oraimo Freepods 4 has this premium look and feel, light and convenient to carry around. It is an impressive design. Inside the Oraimo Freepods 4 enclosure lies a 400 mAh battery lasting about 22 to 27 hours with a charge time of about 2 hours. With it, you can charge the earbuds which can last 7 to 8.5 hours depending on if active noise cancellation is on or off, giving it a total playtime of around 35 hours. Charging the earbuds is a breeze, taking only about 30 minutes. To pair the earbuds to your device, slide open the case next to your device with your Bluetooth turned on. The Freepods 4 carry an IPX5 waterproof rating, making them sweat protected. It has Bluetooth version 5.2 with a range of about 10 meters and a 4-mic beamforming array. Its AI deep neural network algorithm reduces surrounding noise for optimal clarity during calls. Its active noise cancellation system can seal off up to 30 decibels of noise for a quiet and immersive experience. You can turn active noise cancellation on and off or enable transparency mode from the touch sensor of the left earbud. These sensors allow you to control volume, manage calls, and navigate your music. For a more personalized experience, utilize the Oraimo Sound app, available for both iPhone and Android. You can download it from your device's app store. The Oraimo Sound app enables you to monitor battery percentages, switch between noise cancellation modes, and customize the equalizer with 5 customizable EQ modes, featuring Oraimo's distinctive heavy bass. The app also enables you to customize touch sensor functions, activate game mode for low latency gaming, update the earbuds firmware, access the quick start guide, disconnect your device from the sound app, and if you can't find your earbuds for any reason, you should be able to locate them using the Google Find My Device application. The Freepods 4 are impressive, comfortable, lightweight, having a long-lasting battery, and good sound quality. However, the sound quality I got off using the mic on the Freepods 4 was a bit disappointing. Its sleek and fancy case design might pose potential issues, but when compared to the likes of Apple and Samsung, which offer the same categories of feature for 5 to 7 times the price of the Freepods 4, it becomes a matter of preference. With that said, the Oraimo Freepods 4 is absolutely worth it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and let us know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.